How to add bank account in OnlyFans. I'm going to show you how you can easily add bank account in OnlyFans. Start by logging into your account with your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link. If you're not yet a member, sign up through a referral for extra support. Next, click the menu button, located at the bottom right on mobile devices or the top right on computers. Select the bank link to add your bank account for receiving payments. Before adding your bank details, ensure your profile is set up with a header image, avatar, and bio. Avoid including nudity in your profile to prevent delays in approval. Then, fill in your name and address for verification. Providing social media links can help speed up the approval process, although it's optional. Upload photos of your ID to verify your identity, following the provided guidelines. After submission, wait 1 to 3 days for approval. If needed, contact OnlyFans to resolve any issues. Once approved, go to Settings to set your subscription price. Start posting content to attract subscribers, and use tips, pay-per-view messages, and polls to engage with your audience and boost earnings.